When you hear these warning sirens, take cover at once. The warning may also be given by short blasts on police whistles. This hand rattle means gas. Put on your gas mask and keep it on. Do not be alarmed by noise in an air raid. Much of it will be the noise of our own guns dealing with the raiders. Now, this siren means that the raiders have passed. If there has been gas, wait until you hear this bell. It will tell you when there is no longer any danger from gas. Only then is it safe to leave your shelter and remove your gas mask.